In the last video, that is structure practice number 18, we saw B plus going to formation of structures. Statements we saw. I am going to meet my friend tomorrow. I am going to join a new job next week. I am going to visit my parents in US next month, like that. These are all statements. Today we are going to see the interrogatives. This is you can take it as a second part of B plus going to structure practice 19, which is very useful for teaching this foundational literacy for primary classes, which is being envisaged by the NEP. So, these material, all our structure practice material, number 1 onwards, everything is aimed at making our teachers and children to become strong in this foundational literacy, what the NEP is envisaging and what the Government of India is going to take up in a big way. So, all the teachers and students should go through these videos, use it in their classrooms, and children should be made to practice whenever they are in a leisure time, and teachers also can practice it so that they will be very confidently dealing with it in their classrooms. So, today we will see the interrogatives. See, this is a model statement. Ganesh is going to read a book. We are going to make a yes or no question. So, is come here, Ganesh goes here. So, is Ganesh going to read a book? Is Ganesh going to read a book? Suppose Ganesh and Lakshmi are going to read a book. Ganesh and Lakshmi are going to read a book. Then are Ganesh and Lakshmi going to read a book? So, is or are. This should be remembered. Now, let us make a WH question. Ganesh is going to read a book. What is Ganesh going to read? Ganesh is going to read a book tomorrow. When is Ganesh going to read a book? Like the WH questions. Are they going to study tomorrow? This is another exam. Are they going to study tomorrow? Yes, they are going to study tomorrow, or no, they are not going to study tomorrow. That is yes or no question. What are they going to study tomorrow? WH question. So, are they going to study tomorrow? Yes or no question. What are they going to study tomorrow? WH question. Are we going to play football tomorrow? What are you going to play What are you going to play tomorrow? What is Tony going to study? What is Tony going to study? Is Tony going to study? Yes or no? Is Arjun going to be a dentist? What is Arjun going to be? So, teachers should make plenty of this type of sentences and give practice to the children to speak in the class. That is very important. Whether they are in home or in school, we should provide opportunities for the students to use language in the class in plenty. Then where will we get the material, where will we get the sentences as examples? These videos of us will be coming into help. When is he going to visit us? Is he going to visit us? When is he going to visit us? When is he going to visit us? Now you see, now you repeat with me. They are going to study. They are going to study. Are they going to study? Yes or no question. Are they going to study? Manu is going to play rugby. Is Manish going to play rugby? Okay, we will make it Manish. Manish is going to play rugby. Is Manish going to play rugby? The boys are going to be late. The boys are going to be late. Are the boys going to be late? See the question formation, because in our life, majority of the time we question and seek answers. People question us and they seek answers. So, half of the time our life goes on in questioning in normal, simple conversation, even in classrooms. Only in outside world we become serious speakers sometimes, like presenting some report or addressing something or telling some stories or telling some anecdotes or incidents like that. Otherwise, majority of our conversation centers around questions and answers. Is he going to study fine arts? He is going to study fine arts. So, question is he going to study fine arts? She is going to be a teacher. Is she going to be a teacher? Yes, she is going to be a teacher. No, she is not going to be a teacher. What is she going to be? WH question. The students are going to eat lunch. Are the students going to eat lunch? They are going to study English. Are they going to study English? What are they going to study? Renu is going to visit the museum. Is Renu going to visit the museum? Mrs. Miller is going to study Japanese. Mrs. Miller is going to study Japanese. Is Mrs. Miller going to study Japanese? What is Mrs. Miller going to study? Guru is going to be busy. Is Guru going to be busy? So, these are interrogatives, questions. Now, let us see some more examples. See here, Gemini is going to play baseball tomorrow. Are you going to play baseball tomorrow? I am talking about you, I am using here. George is going to study tonight. Are you going to study tonight? Nimmi is going to work at home tonight. Are you going to work at home tonight? So, we are using you here, the question model I am giving you. George is going to get up early tomorrow. Are you going to get up early tomorrow? Amanda is going to San Francisco. Are you going to San Francisco? John is going to buy a wristwatch tomorrow. Are you going to buy a wristwatch tomorrow? John is going to visit the museum. Are you going to visit the museum tomorrow? Mary is going to drink a glass of milk. Are you going to drink a glass of milk? Like that. Now, let us see using of what and tomorrow at the end. He is studying grammar today. What is he going to study tomorrow? He is going to eat an apple today. What is he going to eat tomorrow? He is going to play cricket today. What is he going to play tomorrow? He is going for an English movie today. What is he going to see tomorrow? Like that. He is drinking coffee today. What is he going to drink tomorrow? He is going to drink milk. Mr. Miller is eating an ice cream today. Mr. Miller is eating ice cream today. What is he going to eat tomorrow? Mary is buying a new umbrella today. What is she going to buy tomorrow? Mary is reading a history book today. What is she going to read tomorrow? He is using blue pencil today. He is using a blue pencil today. What color of the pencil he is going to use tomorrow? George and Mary are playing tennis today. What are they going to play tomorrow? Or what are you going to play tomorrow? Okay, or what is he going to play tomorrow for a singular noun? Paul is selling apples today. What is he going to sell tomorrow? We are studying lesson 5 today. What are we going to study tomorrow? Like that. Plenty of sentences have to be generated by us using this structure. One is statements with is going to or are going to, or interrogative. Is he going to? Are they going to? What is he going to? What are they going to? Like that. We have to make plenty of sentences. So that by usage, by using it frequently, many times, always, then we normally get the fluency. So, let us meet in the next video. Thank you.